Hi children, good morning everyone. How are you? I hope you are fine and you are eating a very healthy food at your home. This is the class first children, page number is 41. Here you can see page number 40. Obviously this is the page number 41. Okay. So we have completed till here. Yesterday we have completed here. Yes. Who am I? I grow on trees. I am a red fruit. I am an what? See here, this tree is there. Now this is a which tree? Draw me on the tree and the color the tree. So you have to color it with the green color. This is brown color and the apples you have to draw. So that is I am an apple. A-P-P-L-E. You can write apple. Obviously that is a red fruit is obviously that is what? Apple. Okay children. Now I hope you have done this. Now turn the page children. Turn the page. This is a punctuation. What is this children? Punctuation. This is page number 42. Open the page number 42 children. Now punctuation. What is the lesson? What is the spelling of punctuation children? P-U-N-C-T-U-A-T-I-O-N. Punctuation. Capital letters. What we have to learn about the capital letters. Okay. Rewrite these names. You have to rewrite these names. Begin each word. B-E-G-I-N. Begin each word with a capital letter. C-A-P-I-T-A-L. Capital L-E-T-T-E-R. Capital letter. Rewrite means again you have to write. Write, rewrite. Again you have to write. Whenever you are arrange, rearrange. Okay, so write, rewrite. We have to rewrite again. Okay, what we need to use? We need to use the capital letters. Okay, children. Now, shall we start? Okay, so this is what children? This is the red fort. This is what children? Red fort. It is there in the Delhi. These are all the different types of monuments. Okay, these are all different types of monuments. Okay, which are there in our India, and we have to be proud on them, right or not? Yes. Red fort. R, capital R-E-D. Red. F, O, capital F, small o, R-T. Fort. Okay. Red fort. Capital R you write, small e, small d. Capital F you have to write, small o, small r, small t. Next one is Charminar. Charminar is in the Hyderabad. Yes, most of us you have visited also, right? Yes. So first letter should be what children? Capital C H A R M I N A R. Charminar. What we have to write? Instead of small letter we have to write capital letter. That's it children. Yes. This is the lotus lumper. Lotus. L-O-T-U-S. Lotus. Capital T. E-M-P-L-E. Temple. Capital temple. Okay. Lotus temple. Small capital L children. Capital T. First each we have to begin with the capital letter. Okay. Instead of small letter we have to write capital letter. Instead of small t we have to write capital T. L-O-T-U-S. Lotus. T-M-P-L-E. Temple. Next. Oh, this one is second one. I have completed the third one. No problem. Now we are going to do. Okay. Taj Mahal. Yeah, it's a beautiful place, monument. Okay. This is the Taj Mahal which is there in the Agra. Okay. So, capital, instead of first small t, we have to write capital T. Instead of small m, we have to write the capital M. So, capital T, small a, small j. Capital M, small a, small h, a, l. Taj Mahal. Please write it down children. Now, next one is Mount Everest. Mount Everest is one of the highest peak mountain in the world. Okay, so this in which most of the mountaineers are climb on this, okay. And they have got the reward and awards also. So Mount Everest, like not all people can go on the climb on the Mount Everest, right? So instead of first small m, where we have to write capital M. So instead of small e, we have to write the capital E. Yes, capital M, small o, U N T, Mount, capital E, V E R E S T, Mount Everest. Please write down, children. Okay, next one is India Gate. What is this, children? India Gate. Capital I, small n, D I A, India, small capital G A T E, India Gate. Okay, you have to write this like this. Instead of small I, you have to write capital I. Instead of small g, you have to write capital G. Okay, this should be the thing. Okay, I hope you will write, and you can write the simple handwriting also. Okay, now next one is what, children? Next one is grammar fun. What is the spelling for grammar, children? G-R-A-M-M-A-R, grammar, F-U-N, fun. Verbs, has or have, where you have to use the verbs, has or have. Okay, you know, children, the verbs are called as action, doing action, doing verbs. Doing words are called as verbs. Okay, when the verbs are there, then you have to, where you have to use has and where you have to use have. Let us see. Okay, I bid children fill in the blanks with has or have. Mary has a book. First is done for us, children. So second one, these girls. So I want to tell one thing, children. Has, when has is using, when it is a singular. When have is using, when it is a plural form. Okay, these girls have long hair. These girls have long hair. Okay, next one, children. Shiv has, one person only, na, has a new bicycle. Ria has 6 pencils. H-E-S, has. I have, whenever we are using I, then we are using have. I have many friends. I have many pencils. I have many erasers. I have many friends. So you have to use have. Okay, next one, children. Grandma has a pet. Grandma has a pet rabbit. Oh, this Shiv has a new bicycle, so his name is Shiv. Yeah. Okay, first one, see, children. First one you write has, next one have you write, has you write, the next one is you have to write has, next one you have to write I have, and next one, your last one, you have to write has. Next page, children, page number 43. Okay, J bit, children. Join the words to make sentences. Say them aloud. You have to say them aloud. Okay, I have a book. I have a balloon. Same, children. Oh, we have a book. You have a book. So see, children, I have a balloon. We have a balloon. You have a balloon. They have a balloon. Now second one, I have a book. We have a book. You have a book. They have a book. So it means what, children? Whenever it is I, we, you and they, what we have to use? We have to use have. Understood, children? Whenever it is I, we, you or they as a pronouns, then we have to use have. Now she, he has a, balloon. She has a balloon. He has a book. She has a book. So this is the thing, children. She has a balloon. She has a balloon. He has a book. She has a book. See, we have to read this also, children. I have a balloon. He has a book. I have a book. He has a balloon. Whenever you are using I, we are using have. Whenever we are using he, we are using has. Whenever it is I, then we are using have. Whenever it is he in the starting place, then we have to use has. Okay, children. So I hope you have done this much, and I hope you are writing the textbook bits. Only 1 or 2 members are sending the pics to me, and those who are writing, most of them you are not writing. Please write down, children, so that the skill should not be go away from your mind. Okay, if you learn, if you will keep on listening, obviously your listening skills also improve. Okay, I request you to complete it and send in the WhatsApp group. So whenever I will conduct the Zoom classes, I can ask you. Okay, children, take care, children. Bye everyone.